Hi, I'm Patrick, founder and CEO of Favro. I've been helping teams for more than 20 years to work in a more agile way, and Scrumban is one of my favorite methods. There are three reasons why you should try this out in Favro. We have a ready-made solution for you. The first reason is that it is truly snappy, and it works in real time. Uh, Very different to other tools that are kind of click and wait experience. With the Favro Scrumban solution, you're getting all the various metrics around flow from the beginning. And I think this is important because it makes Favro the most sophisticated Scrumban solution in the world. And it helps you to use throughput-based metrics to do things like, estimating capacity and, basically, when is the project going to be done? And that's just way better with flow-based, throughput metrics. So check out the control chart in the Favro Scrum solution. Now, the second reason why I think this is such a great solution is how easy it is to customize. So you probably have your own way of working with this. And you can, from the beginning, without any code or any help from IT, customize the setup in any way you want, including automations and also dashboards. The third reason why I think this solution is so great is because the Favro platform is really designed for a lot of different types of teams. It can be teams in marketing, in sales, obviously product, executive management. And Favro is designed for all of these teams to work very close together, to be in sync and to be aligned. Most of the tools out there, they are built by people coming from IT, which is the reason why they all look so similar. They're really glorified databases. We come more from the perspective of organizational psychology. So the underlying architecture of Favro is quite different. It's optimized for having that collaboration with teams so that teams can work in sync. So check out Favro Scrumban today. You can try it for free.